one of their early scholars. If you go on Wikipedia, most people have these modern up-to-date phones nowadays. If you type in Google the name Yaqub Kulaini, you will find he was one of the initial and early scholars who is, in fact, in Google you will find he is the scholar who is classified by Shias as the only Siqqatul Islam. He is the most prolific scholar in the entire Shiite history. He wrote a book which he claims to have presented to the 12th Imam. They formulated a belief known as the belief of Imamat. They claim Rasulullah is the last prophet, and after him there were no prophets but Imams. And those Imams receive revelation, and they have knowledge of the unseen. They know whatever has ever happened, what is happening, what will ever happen. Yaqub Kulaini, he claimed that he was aware of the whereabouts of the 12th Imam in the cave of Surre Manra, approached him, and the 12th Imam asked him to write a book which will be sufficient for their followers. So Yaqub Kulaini went away and wrote a book and came back and presented it to the 12th Imam, and the 12th Imam supposedly said, "Hadha kafun li shi'atina." This is sufficient for our group, hence it's entitled Usul-e-Kafi. It's a book which is supposed to be approved by their supposed Imam in hiding. And when in there is a narration that the Quran was 17,000 verses. Do you know how many verses there are in the Quran which Allah revealed through Jibreel Amin upon his beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? 6,666 verses. Shias believe there were 17,000 verses. So they believe 2/3 almost went missing, and they say Sahaba na'udhu billah disposed of it. Their Quran, they believe, is different, and they have a different concept of nubuwwat and leadership and imamat, and as a result, this is why they criticize, not just criticize, condemn and curse the companions and even those beloved companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. As our ulama was saying, those who are resting with Rasulullah presently since 1400 years to this day, and shall continue being with him till the day of Qiyamah, shall rise with him on the day of Qiyamah, will be with him on the pond and beyond for eternity. And they have the nerve to even point fingers, not just fingers. They say so much rubbish about these beloved companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
Message TV. This is your channel.
This is your channel.